Hi, welcome to LiveProcess e-learning for Emergency Manager. In this video, we will show you how to update your contact profile using automated contact self-maintenance. Automated contact self-maintenance, or ACSM, is a way of keeping contact profiles up to date in LiveProcess. This allows you to maintain your own information as well as set your own notification preferences. You will receive the ACSM request via email with a link directly to your profile. Your system administrator determines the frequency at which you will receive these update requests. This is how the email will look. It will come from no-reply@liveprocess.com. It includes the steps to update as well as to verify your cell phone in order to receive text messages. You can select the Review Your Profile button or copy and paste the URL link in your browser. Notice, this link will expire after 14 days and should not be shared with others as it is a personalized link to access only your profile. You'll be brought to your contact profile where you can review your demographic information, including your name, department, title, and organization. You'll also see your contact points where you can review your primary email and phone numbers. You have the ability to add additional points of contact by selecting the plus icon and then choosing the type of method you want to add in. For example, if I want to add a personal email, I select email, then I come down and type in that address below. At the end of each line, you'll see a drop-down menu where you select your notification preference. For email, I can say email me or don't email me. For cell phone, I have the option of call and text, text only, call only, or none. You'll also see that to receive text messages from LiveProcess, you'll need to verify your phone. There are two ways to do this. The first of which is selecting the blue Verify button, which will text you a code that you'll then enter where prompted on the screen. The other, which is described in the email you received, is to simply text the word START, S-T-A-R-T, to 85079. You have the ability to mark information as private, which you see here. What this means is that those without administrative privileges in the system cannot see that email or phone number, but LiveProcess will still be able to notify you based on your notification preference. Once you're finished with your contact points, come down and look at your user administration where you can set your default time and date information for messages you receive. Then you can enter your home address, including zip code. You have the ability to mark that address as private. Some facilities will have an additional field below called Extended Information. These are custom contact fields built by your organization, and they take the form of checkboxes, text boxes, or drop-down options. Make sure you scroll all the way to the bottom and answer all of the questions your facility has asked. Once you do that, scroll back up and review those contact points one last time before hitting Save to make sure any changes you made to your contact profile are saved to the database. Even if you did not make changes, be sure to hit Save to record that you reviewed your profile. You'll then get that Update Complete message letting you know your profile has been successfully updated. If you have any questions about ACSM or updating your contact profile, please feel free to email us at support@liveprocess.com or give our customer support a call at 888-400-2673.